Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to narrate a very interesting story. The name of the story is The Toy Race. This story is in your reader book. This story is about Maya the doll, who was in the nursery with other toys. What is a nursery? Nursery is a small room for very small children, and there are many toys and it's very colorful. And in this nursery there were many toys, and one day these toys decided to run a race. Who were the ones who were participating in the race? Maya the doll, truck, engine, clown, teddy, puppy. These all were the participants of the race, and it was decided that the monkey is going to bang the drum to announce the start of the race. Before the start of the race, all the toys bend down on their knees on the finish line, all get set to start the race. And then the monkey banged the drum and the race started, and all the toys started running. And Maya, the doll, was very sure that she is going to win the race because she was a very fast runner, and she was in fact the fastest runner among all the toys, those who were participating in the race. And in the middle of the race, as Maya completed the first round, it was actually decided that all the toys have to complete 3 rounds around the room to win the race, and the one who reaches the finish point after completion of 3 rounds will be announced the winner. And as the race had started, after the completion of first race, suddenly Maya heard a sound behind her, and she could hear someone crying in pain. And someone looked in deep pain, and what did she see? She saw behind her, she saw that puppy had fallen down and was lying down there. Actually, what had happened when the puppy was running the race, he banged into an aeroplane that was kept near the cupboard and almirah, and he had banged it and he fell down and he was crying in pain. But Maya was so deep into running the race that she thought that I better continue the race. Some other toy will come and help puppy. And meanwhile, the other toys saw puppy fallen down. That time, truck and engine, they consoled puppy. Don't worry, everything will be okay. They helped him, and even Teddy and the clown also helped puppy, and they convinced him that it's okay, don't worry, you have fallen down, get up and we will again run the race. And puppy somehow got up, and all the toys again continued running, but they were running very slow. They were running slow because puppy was injured and he was not able to run fast. On the other hand, Maya was continued, she was continue running. At the end of the second round, when Maya completed the second round of the room, she realized she heard few sounds coming. She could hear someone laughing, and when she saw, what she saw was a very different scene this time. First time she saw that puppy had fallen down and he was crying in pain, and in the second round, in the end of the second round, she saw that the teddy was narrating a funny story to all the toys. He was telling a funny story to all the toys, and all the toys were laughing, giggling and enjoying the story. And Maya was a bit confused, that should I continue the race or should I leave the race and join my friends? And she wanted to run the race, win the race, because she knew she was the fastest runner. She had already completed 2 rounds, but at the same time she could see her friends enjoying, and she started weighing both the situations. What if I finish the race? What if I do not finish the race and join my friends? Then she realized that if I run the race and complete the 3 rounds and become the winner, I will be left alone, and I will be the only one who was running the race. And my friends, on the other hand, they are all together. And on the other side, she was thinking, if I join my friends, then what will happen? And then she realized that actually the better choice was to join her friends, enjoy with them, and not get into this kind of an unhealthy competition where she was the only one in the competition. She better join her friends, be with them. And this was a very, very important lesson she learned by running this race, that it is better to be with our friends and help them when we are in need, and enjoy with them, keeping in mind that what they all are doing. And actually, children, when we go through this story, we all have realized that somehow, some place, Maya was at fault, because she saw Puppy fallen down. She should have stopped running the race and helped Puppy, but she did not do this. And this is what made Maya feel guilty about her action, and she decided to stop running and join her friends. She joined her friends, and once she joined her friends, she started enjoying with them, and they all laughed and giggled, and everyone ran the race together, and all of them were